Seems like the market growth in the US has slowed down for the moment. Fortunately, the Chinese market is becoming less affected by the US market. There are a few main reasons. First, the interest rate is rising in the US and the stock market is going down. That leaves the investors very limited channels for where they can park their money. Second, RMB assets are at basement prices after the market corrections, just like the American and Japanese economies in the 70s. Lastly, China is injecting so much money into the economy. It's going to be good. No, it's going to be great. Now, how can we take advantage from all these opportunities? Study shows that almost 70% of the stock market fluctuations in China can be explained by policy-related factors. So, if we follow closely the policy updates, we should be able to do reasonably well on stock investing. Subscribe to our channel now for the latest policy changes. See you in the next video.